On the Trail Radio here, showing you the Baofeng UV5 series. What we'll be looking at today specifically is the TDR-AB. Now, what that really means, it is going to be, whenever you have dual watch on, it's going to be whether or not the main one is A, B, or off. So, how this works is, even though it is on dual receive, so it is receiving two frequencies at the same time, if I was to have TDR-AB set to A, if I was transmitting on channel 1 and channel 22, it would purposely filter out number 2 and only transmit the top frequency or the A frequency. If I went down to B, it would now accept it to listen to 22 over channel 1. The reason that is because I have it set to B, or the bottom line. If you have it set to off, you have true dual receive, to where it is not filtering out anybody. It will be receiving those and all the other frequencies that you have programmed into the top and bottom line. If you have a more important channel, I would actually recommend putting on TDR-AB, setting it to A, and then setting the important channel on the top line, or the A line. The reason being is that if you're using the bottom channel for secondary traffic, but you're using the top channel for important and immediate traffic, then you would want to filter out the bottom traffic and only use the top line, at least whenever the top line is currently being used and transmitted on. This also only works if you have dual receive on, so that you're listening to the top and the bottom frequency. If you don't have dual receive on, then in other terms, it's more than useless. There is no reason to have a or B function if you have dual receive off. If it is on, then it is actually useful. If you're doing some sort of comms where one communication is more important than the other, for a construction site, if you want to go off-roading and you have an emergency channel and a just talking channel, then it could be something like that. It doesn't fall under the category of useless, but it does fall into the category of something I don't end up using, because it doesn't suit my needs, because I want to hear everything. If you want to hear everything, leave it off. If you want to hear something specific, turn it on.